If you are starting off in your stock investing journey, one of the most common terms that you will hear of is blue chip stocks. And in the previous video, we talked about the characteristics of a blue chip stocks and how you can generally find them on Bursa Malaysia. This episode, we will be giving an overview of blue chip stocks that are listed in the Malaysia stock market, Bursa Malaysia, sector by sector. So watch till the end of the video to find out more about blue chip stocks investment in Malaysia. Woo! Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, your financial edutainment channel, bringing you financial education and fun at the same time. Now, who say learning about money can't be fun, right? If you enjoy learning about money in a fun way, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get updated with our latest video. Also, if you're more active on Facebook or Instagram, we do have a Facebook and Instagram page, so do follow us there as well. Now, since the market has crashed, many people are seeing this time as an opportunity to start investing. Some of you who are watching are probably thinking about investing in some valuable blue chip stocks in this time, hoping that one day you can retire and live off the dividend that they will be paying. As the GOAT, Warren Buffett says, when people are greedy, be fearful, and when people are fearful, be greedy. So, in the previous video, we talked about the characteristics of blue chip stocks. If you haven't watched that, do go and watch it. Now, blue chip stocks, it's usually high quality companies that have withstood the test of time by being profitable and growing over a long term, regardless of the market's condition. Most importantly, they also consistently distribute dividends to their shareholder, making it an attractive investment to hold for many investors. Now, probably right now you're shouting in front of the screen, Mr. Money, show me the blue chip stocks that are listed already. Stop talking, just show me. Yes, don't worry. In this series, we will be giving you an overview of the blue chip stocks that are listed on Bursa Malaysia. But before we begin, if you like what you're watching so far, help us by smashing the like button and share our video, because that would really help with the YouTube algorithm to reach more people with our content. So thanks in advance. The first sector that we will start with is the good old banks or financial groups that are listed on the KL Component Index. I bet most of us have probably heard of them, or probably even have a bank account with at least one of them, right? So these are the 7 largest financial groups in Malaysia as of today. And oh yeah, before we begin, I have to remind you that this is not an investment advice. It is not advised to buy or sell any security or financial product. So please consult a financial advisor before you make any investment decision. If you agree to that, let's continue. So the blue chip bank stocks that are listed on Bursa Malaysia are Maybank Berhad, Public Bank Berhad, CIMB Group Berhad, Leong Bank Berhad, RHB Bank Berhad, Leong Financial Group Berhad, and AmBank Holdings Berhad. Let us go through them one by one. First off, Maybank. Maybank is founded in 1960 by Tan Sri Koo Teck Puat. It has the largest market capitalization at 83 billion right now. For the financial year end of 2019, they recorded a profit before tax of 11 billion ringgit. It's a 1% increase from the previous year. They also paid out 64 cents per share to their shareholder. This translates into a dividend yield of around 8.6% dividend yield, based on their share price at 7.41 ringgit per share. Currently, Maybank is one of the largest banks with Malaysia, with more than 2,629 branches worldwide. And it is one of the few banks with its own insurance arm, which is Etika Takaful. Maybank also continued to be one of the most innovative company in bringing their banking service online and allowing it to adapt to the growing digital age. The second bank, Public Bank. Public Bank is the second largest bank in terms of market capitalization at 61 billion ringgit. It was founded in 1966 by Tan Sri Teh Hong Piao, and the group has recorded a profit before tax of 7.13 billion in the year of 2019. It is also a 1% growth compared to the year of 2018. They also gave out a dividend of 73 cents per share to their shareholder. One thing interesting about Public Bank is that they have a subsidiary called Public Mutual, which I believe many of you have probably heard of. Public Mutual is the largest mutual fund provider leader in Malaysia with 156 funds and 35% of the retail market share. It has been a strong income contributor to the company's profit in terms of non-interest income. Another thing that makes public banks stand out is their management team. It has one of the lowest impaired loan ratio and the highest return on equity compared to the rest of the other banks. And the third bank on the list is CIMB Group with 33 billion market cap. They are the third largest bank in Malaysia in terms of market capitalization. They are founded in the year of 2006. CIMB Group is the result of a multiple bank merger. Among them are Southern Bank Berhad, Bank Bumiputra Malaysia Berhad. These banks all came together and merged into CIMB. The bank rose to prominence under the leadership of Datuk Sri Nazir over the years, which is our ex-Prime Minister's brother. Currently, CIMB is one of the largest investment bank in Asia and one of the largest Islamic bank in the world with 796 branches across 16 countries. And in year 2019, CIMB Group recorded a profit before tax of 5.97 billion and paid out 26 cents per share in dividend to their shareholders. The fourth bank on the list, Hong Leong Bank, under the leadership of Tan Sri Kwek Ling Chan. They fall as the fourth largest bank in Malaysia with a market capitalization of 28 billion. Their banking service has two key pillars, which is personal financial services and business and corporate banking. Hong Leong Bank currently has operation in Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Vietnam and Cambodia. They are the first Malaysian bank to have a presence in China banking sector through their strategic investment in Bank of Chengdu, a leading city commercial bank that is based in Chengdu, China. Hong Leong Bank also places a strong emphasis on adapting innovative technology to grow their business in future. In the year of 2019, the group recorded a profit before tax of 3.18 billion and they gave a dividend of 50 cents per share to their shareholders. Then next on the list, RHB Bank Berhad, led by Datuk Khairul Saleh Ramli. Currently, they have 348 branches across ASEAN. They are one of the top banks in Malaysia and the group is the largest investment bank by asset size in Malaysia. They recorded a profit before tax of 3.35 billion in the year of 2019 and issued 31 cents per share of dividend for the year of 2019. And their focus for the coming year is to grow their loan and financing portfolio in the domestic, retail and SME sector. And then we have Hong Leong Financial Group. It is the holding company for Hong Leong Group's banking and financial services. Hong Leong Financial Group has an integrated suite of conventional and Islamic products and services through commercial and Islamic banking, investment banking and insurance and takaful. In 2019, the group recorded a profit before tax of 3.5 billion and they distributed 42 cents per share of dividend to their shareholders. One thing that's worthy to take note of is their life insurance business. Hong Leong Assurance is the largest domestic life insurer in Malaysia and ranked as one of the top 4 life insurance companies in Malaysia. Finally, we have AMMB Holdings Berhad, which is AmBank. They have been listed on Bursa Malaysia since 1988. It's the 6th largest banking group by asset in Malaysia with a market capitalization of 13.7 billion. The group provides wholesale banking, investment banking, retail banking and related financial services including Islamic banking, general insurance, life insurance and unit trusts. In the year of 2019, they recorded a profit before tax of 2.09 billion and distributed 20 cents per share in dividend to their shareholders. The group's strategy is to focus on their top 4 customer segment, which is the affluent market, which is priority banking, their mass affluent market, which is true banking, and mid-sized corporate and SME. They are also placing a priority to grow their asset management business, which seems to be paying off right now. So these are the 7 financial groups that are considered blue chip stocks that are listed on Bursa Malaysia. Maybank, Public Bank, CIMB, Hong Leong Bank, RHB Bank, Hong Leong Financial Group and AmBank Holding. These banks have showed growth and profitability over the years under different economic conditions and they were able to distribute dividend to their shareholder over the years, therefore building a strong brand and market capitalization in the Malaysian market. One thing you have to take note of, Malaysian banks are poised to grow in the Islamic Islamic banking sector, as we are one of the most innovative Islamic banking industry in the world. Now, before you jump in and start investing in any of their stocks, there are some things that you must know before investing in the banking stocks, which we'll cover in the next video of our How to Invest in Blue Chip Stocks series. So do remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get notified when we upload the next video. Thank you for joining us today. I'll see you next time.